Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have almost done with the texturing of this particular interior over here. So few things are left out which will be covering it up, and we'll starting up with the lighting part. So now what I'm going to do over here is like I'll be just assigning the same texture for the ceiling too. So I have taken color over here for this. So we can just take a Vray material and let's just take a color over here. So example, we have this color over here and let's assign this. Now we can assign a glass material for all of this, cups and all this. So select this. So go into the material editor, take a Vray material and let's give the refraction as white, and IOR I can set to 1.8 and let's name it as cup glass. So I can just name it as, for this, a cup glass over here. That's it. And also over here, like we can just select this, select the polygons, and slightly just extrude this down. So we can just extrude it down a bit and we can put some loops over here. So let's just save this and put some loops. Alright, select the polygons and let's select this and let's give bevel over here, and by local normal and slightly just push it inside. So let's just say and isolate, and if needed again select the all this polygons over here and slightly I can just shuffle this up. If required, you can slightly just push this up. Alright, so select this part, select this polygons and again give a material over here. So I can just press Shift F and I can just place up a camera over here for now, like this. So I can slightly just do it in this way. Press Ctrl C and place up a camera over here. So I'll go into this. Let's go into the light. Let's take a Vray light, take a Vray Sun, and let's just drag this light. Let's say yes, right from this, and over here, if needed, select the polygons. Select the polygons over here. And let's just extrude a bit out in this way. Similarly, slightly we can just push this up, drag it over here, select the light and go over here, click on photon emit radius. I can just slightly increase this, drag it over here in this way. Go into this, go into the filter color, and let's give any kind of a bit of a yellowish tone, a warm color. So we have this camera view. Let's just save this. So I want to see this, how it looks like. Go into rendering, render setup, and we have activated this. Alright. So now what I can do over here is like, I can just render this and see how it looks like. Okay, it's really burning, so I can just go into this, select the light, go into the intensity multiplier, and let's make it a 0.2, and let's see how it looks like. So still it's burning over here. We need to control the light. So 0.05. Alright. Still we can reduce it. If you think the light is more, we can work with that. Let's make the ozone a 0.8, turbidity 2.8, slightly push towards white. Alright, okay, so you are getting a lot of burning over here. So again select this 0.02 and let's render it again. Okay, now I guess this looks better. If you feel that that is too much of sun, we can just reduce it. Let's just render that. Before that, I'll again go into the render setup. Let's go into the render setup over here. Go into this Vray, make the type as bucket, go into the image filter, set it as a Catmull room. Let's go down, go into this, and we can just reduce this noise threshold over here. Environment, we can just keep it as a GI environment. Color mapping, I'll keep it as exponential. Gamma 2.2 is okay. GI irridance map, light cache, and we can slightly increase this subdivisions over here. Looks better now. Let's see. So we need to render and see how it looks like. So this is going to be a source light. So this is going to be a source. I'll just keep this as medium for now. Go into this Vray bucket. We have done few settings over here. We can slightly just push this light up if needed, and let's just drag this down and let's render it again. So now this looks much better now. All right. So we can add one more Vray light right from this direction, a kind of a fill light. So I'll just select this, I'll drag it over here, and let's set the temperature. Multiplier as 2 over here. Go into the options, double sided, invisible. If you can off it double sided, that's okay. So if you don't need it, you can just off that double sided. So it's burning a lot. So I'll just select this. Just select this light, 0.5, and again render it. All right. Again render it. All right. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.